a real quick video on a double din radio inside a Infiniti QX4. This looks like a single din right here, and it also looks like a double din. A full double din will work also. I have it in that car, but this one is just how the radio is. So Crutchfield does not say there is a dash kit for it. However, the Metra 99-999 is a universal, and it will fit, but you need to cut out this center slot, and you need to cut around these edges a little bit, so it'll end up fitting in here. Cut this to shape. I'll show you guys what it looks like, and I'll get back to you. Once you've cut that middle strip out, you're going to need to kind of grind away those little knobs that are going to be on the side, and then you're going to start cutting around this outside edge so it fits into this piece better. So here's how mine looks after I've chopped it off. It's okay if these edges up around here are kind of jagged or whatnot, because you won't be able to see them. And just for reference, you flip this thing over. The sides don't really matter too much. You do have to cut a bit off the sides right here and these edges. But for mine, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 dots on the top, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the bottom. So it can either be 5 on the bottom and 4 on the top, or 5 on the top and 4 on the bottom. Just keep cutting it and keep trying to test fit it in this spot right here until it fits between this piece and this piece, and it should be kind of snug. It should pop into place like that. Flip it around, and that's what it will look like. So now when you go to hook everything up, you're going to plug all your wires in the bottom. You can go ahead and have this piece on there, and then just plug everything back up, and I'll show you what it looks like in a second. So here's the final product. That looks right here. And I still haven't put this back in, obviously, but it looks pretty good. Got the same deal going on in that car. Just a double din radio, the Metra 99-999